Good morning everyone, and thank you for attending this webinar on xEV technologies and solutions on semiconductors providing for this market. My name is Andrea Colognese, and I'm a member of the Automotive Business Development Team. I'm based in Munich, and I'm representing Power Solution Group in Europe for Automotive. I have only 10 minutes, and my presentation is going to be only a short introduction to the specific topics that will be presented by other colleagues. In this short time, I can only send a couple of main messages to the audience and explain our positioning in the market. Looking at the market, there is no doubt that we are living in a disruptive market situation. The electrification revolution is already started, and all the OEM are introducing hybrid and electric car in their portfolio. As reported by Strategy Analytics, but others are almost aligned in agreement with the outcomes, this market is showing an outstanding growth of 23% in the coming 7 years. In a market where the overall light vehicle production forecast is almost flat or slightly growing, the electrified car segment will gain share against the combustion engine type of car, reaching almost 30% of the total light vehicle sales in 2027. Going in details, we can observe how the 48-volt power net in the mild hybrid car will keep growing in the coming years, and will be, especially in Europe, quite common and easy solution for the OEM to reduce the CO2 emission of the fleet. We foresee as well a strong growth starting from next year for more complex topologies like with higher level of hybridization like plug-in hybrid and battery operated electric vehicle. Only the full hybrid shows a much smaller growth. Considering the increasing demand of a power electronics component, this growth will create a stress for the automotive semiconductor supply chain. The ability to produce in volumes and being independent from external suppliers are all important factors for a company like ON Semiconductor, willing to be a leader in this market. The positioning of ON Semiconductor in the electrification market is to be a leading and reliable supplier of technologies and products able to cover all the main functions in the electrified car with a wide coverage of the bill of material of such applications. We invested and we are continuously investing in semiconductor technologies and innovative packaging solution with the goal to provide to the designer the widest portfolio of solutions for the target application. The high voltage inverter is without any doubt the most expensive part in an electric car. For this application, ON Semiconductor is providing a full family of solutions and technologies. Under the V-Track brand, IGBT and silicon carbide technologies are hosted in different package solutions to address different requirements and technical performances for the 400 volt and 800 volt battery based cars. Inside this family, the perfect driver solution is included to drive and isolate at the best our power devices. The main inverter is not the only high voltage function inside the car of the future. Other applications like onboard charging, high voltage DC-DC converter, and other high voltage loads require specific and tuned power semiconductor solutions. For such applications, semiconductor offer a very wide product and solution portfolio based on 650, 750, 1200 volt IGBT, super junction MOSFET generation 3, silicon carbide and MOSFET and silicon carbide diodes. The designer can easily find the right power technology solution to optimize the application in terms of power losses, efficiency, and power density. For low voltage application, 12 volt, 400 volt application and battery management systems, we are offering our best-in-class low voltage, medium voltage MOSFET technologies. Basically, all power technologies are available at On Semiconductor. Every application requires a specific flavor of such technologies that can be hosted in different packages technologies, from dies, discretes to power modules, to provide flexibility and differentiation to our customers. In particular, our reliable transfer molded technology for our power module provides design flexibility and outstanding performances. The vertical integration of all our technologies in such package with different level of integration provides a unique and optimized solution to reach the highest power density. In addition, please remember that our portfolio doesn't include only power products, but many other auxiliary functions around the power device to complete the design of the application. Just to mention, gate driver, DC-DC controller, LDO, current sense amplifier, protections, and others. As mentioned before, this market requires a strong semiconductor supply chain. It's clear that to have a primary role in the electrification market is not enough to have the right technology and the right solution, but is requested as well to provide such product in high volumes with expected quality. In this sense, On Semiconductor can offer a outstanding manufacturing capability that is continuously scaled up with huge investment plans in front-end and back-end operations. On Semiconductor can count on 12 front-end and substrate up to 12-inch facilities around the world in US, in Europe, and in Far East, and in addition 9 back-end sites for packaging, mainly in Far East. With this supply chain, we shipped in 2019, the previous year, the outstanding number of 66 billion parts to the market. With this scalable manufacturing setup and with the full control of the supply chain from the wafer production till the packaging, with the huge investment planning capacity in the coming years, On Semiconductor will be a leading supplier in the semiconductor electrification market. To conclude, and let my colleagues in the next sessions to provide more details and on specific products, I want to summarize and reinforce a couple of main messages. On Semiconductor is a leading player in the power semiconductor market. With our V-Track family of products for inverter application and a wide portfolio of low voltage, high voltage solutions, On Semiconductor can cover all the application in the car of the future. There will be a stress situation in the semiconductor supply chain. On Semiconductor is investing capacity in order to be ready to supply in volumes and with the right quality this market. With this, I completed my presentation. I leave you to my colleague for more details and information on the main solutions and technology for electrification market. Thanks a lot for your attention.